Philip, number. All the engines have different number in the island. Toby is the number 7. Henry is number 3. Percy is number 6. Thomas is number 1. Gordon number 4. James is number 5. And Edward number 2. And there are one engine having number 68. Philip. Here we go, some trucks. Oh, it's number 68. Broken down? No, it's not. I never broke down. Why they call you number 68? Never mind. Him. Philip. So why they have the number of you of number 68? I don't know. I'll go tell the back patroller. Okay. Soon, Philip was taking to the truck and tell the control. Hello, Philip. I want you to take these trucks. Here. I know, but why I'm number 68? Well, you have number 68 when you came to Soda. I'll go check the Soda records why you're number 68. Then tell Philip. Oh, not Philip. Victor. It's me, Victor. Hello. Hello, Philip. What are you doing? I want to know why I'm number 68. I don't know. Maybe that's how old you are. Kevin, Philip's not old. He's young. Sorry, Philip. We don't fix diesel engine. Maybe the diesel works. I'll go tell the diesel. Soon, Philip's going to the diesel works to tell one of the diesels why he's number 68. Hi, Captain. Hi, Dinner. Oh, hi, Philip. Hi, Philip. I have a question. Why am number 68? Maybe I have any real. Philip got 4. I know why he's number 68. Really? Because I forgot. Oh. Philip was very upset. He really wanted to know why he's number 68. Did Philip ever kept thinking why he's number 68? Then there was trouble. Farmer called sheep run off. Oh no! Oh, Philip, what's going on? Sheep. I've got an engine coming. Going out. Uncouple my truck. I'll go stop Gordon. And Philip and Go. And Express coming through. Oh, Philip, you're nearly giving out the number 68, giving an accident. But God, the sheep. Oh, the sheep. Yeah. Then, in the evening, old farm patrol she went back to the farm. The back patrol came by. Hi. There we go. Oh, I got the 68 sheep. Oh, that's my number. Hello, Philip. I found the sort of record. Today, I'm number 68. Help save gold. Then from hit these sheep. Right, here, Philip. I thought I'd teach you your number 68. That's okay. I'm number 68, Gordon. Ha ha ha. Oh, there. Oh, wow. Similar engine. So Daisy was after crossing the moor and Daisy. Hello, Daisy. How very important I am to take these half the dead coaches. And Daisy, but I think I'm very good. No, he didn't. Ooh, okay. I don't need well. But I'm good with my packages. But Diesel been hearing then man, he's very useful and he's very good. Oh, well, you're gonna say Daisy, today's the rail car. Who's talking about Daisy? I'm talking about Harvey. Harvey is a crane engine. He's very like Diesel. Excuse me, Harvey. Oh, hello, Diesel. What are you doing? I'm here to say, do you know Daisy? No, I never heard about Daisy. Well, she said she thinks you're very ugly with a crane on. She's very good with her packages in the Diesel rail car. Oh, okay. Then, yeah. Right. Very good. Oh, doing good, good, Daisy. Hello, Daisy. Oh, Daisy. Oh, Daisy, I heard Harvey said you're very ugly. Not very useless. Who is this hot here crane engine? He's any more useful. Really? Yeah. So everyone heard about. Hey Harvey, are you gonna fight? Yeah, all the engines keep telling me that. I don't know why. Then, when they're in the top thing, you must be Harvey. You must be Daisy. My book. Oh, okay. Yo, I'm very good. You're a creator. Oh, thank you. You're very good with that, huh? And you. Yeah, and Daisy and Harvey talking about each other. Becoming friends with Daisy. Alright. What are you doing? You're supposed to hate each other. No, we didn't. It's just ourselves. Right? Yeah. Oh, then there was trouble. My generator. Don't worry, Jesus. I'm here to help you. The next morning, when Diesel started his morning jobs, He went to the crossing. That's the crossing. Hello, Diesel. I'm here to clear them boxes for Daisy. Harry, now. So, Harvey and Daisy have both similar endings. For what? The end.